So there is pretty much a sport for anyone that wants to get involved, and you can always find a local club that has that sport. Another tip is to get a more physically demanding job, one where you're always active on your feet, moving about, and this is a great way to get your guideline amount of exercise complete in a day. Now, this information is referenced from the British Heart Foundation, from the Mayo Clinic, and these are both trustworthy and reliable sources of information. Next, we're going to look at the health risk of excessive drinking and the recommended guidelines for safe drinking. So the statistics that we have for binge drinking, and a few facts in there as well, is that binge drinking can lead to antisocial and aggressive and violent behaviour, and usually plays a part in this in police statistics as well. Alcohol is a factor in 1 in 3, which is 30% of sexual offences, 1 in 3 burglaries, which is 33% as well, 1 in 2%, which is half of street crimes. Binge drinking is most common among 16 to 24-year-olds and is more common among men than women. There's no proof as to why, but when you go out, you'll tend to see a group of lads out drinking, getting merry, and possibly taking it too far. Even if you don't drink alcohol every day, that doesn't mean that you're not a binge drinker. A binge drinker is someone who when they do drink, gets too drunk, drinks far more than they should, and they have more than the daily unit guidelines in a single session. They tend to drink quickly, and they find it hard to stop drinking once they've started. You could also have a problem with binge drinking and possibly alcohol dependency if that's